3 recipes in one video. Hello friends, welcome back to RINA ALIM multi-channel vlogs. Today's recipes are going to be very exciting. If you skip this video, you will miss out on 3 amazing recipes. These recipes are going to be loved by everyone, both kids and adults. I have brought 3 recipes in one video for you all. Recipe number 1, cheesy potatoes. We are going to make cheesy potatoes ball. Take some potatoes and boil them. Mash the potatoes thoroughly. Take 2 tablespoons of corn flour and add a little salt and mix well. Now take some cheese and make small balls as I am showing. Take 1 egg and break it. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and mix it well. Now take breadcrumbs and coat the potato balls with the egg and corn flour mixture. Then coat the balls with breadcrumbs. Now fry them all on medium flame. See how crispy and delicious the cheesy potato balls have turned out. Recipe number 2, McCain style potatoes. For this, boil the potatoes again and mash them well. Add some corn flour and knead into a dough. Roll it out to make a flatbread. The flatbread is ready. Cut it into any shape you like. I am giving them a heart shape. Press down to shape them well. Now take a straw and make eyes on the shape. Create a mouth shape below. All the McCain shapes are now ready. I will half fry some of them and store the rest in the freezer. You can store these McCain potato shapes in the freezer for up to 1 month. Check if the oil is hot. Now fry all the McCain shapes. Gently flip them up and down. The McCain potato shapes are ready. Now, last and third recipe is French fries. Take some potatoes. Peel off the skin. Cut the potatoes into long strips. Boil some water with a pinch of salt and add the potato strips. Do not overcook the potatoes. Kids usually love this type of recipe. Once the boiling is done, strain all the water. Place a cotton cloth under a fan and spread the potatoes on it to let them dry thoroughly. Now store all the potatoes in the fridge. Take out a small portion to fry. I am going to fry a small portion now. You can store these in the freezer and enjoy them whenever you like. Take out a small portion, coat them well with corn flour and fry them. The French fries are ready. If you like my videos, please comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.